Malapit ng update. 2 hours. What ba natin? Dun. Pangit. Ano ka slok? Yan.
This ain't about keeping some fucking badge. Hey, listen to the man. We all the same, Carl. You, me. We all trying to pull ourselves out of the hole. Somebody steps on me, I gotta step on you. Where's Hernandez with that fucking meat? He's been gone too long, Tenpenny. Getting a little edgy, fellas. Oh, how you like that, you piece of shit? That give you any idea how edgy I am? Well, get up, bitch.
I'm just so regular every day. 34 seconds na lang Ay, minutes pala. Bago mag-beastborn. So, na worker B. Ba, Kuya Rem?
Feeling ko feeling ko magiging normal lang yan.
Ha? Yung?
Normal one.
Kaya mo pala linisin? Kaya mo, ano kaya malinis? Ano kaya mayroon?
Ha?
Clean spray, kaya mo linisin.
Kaya tanggal niya ang tissue.
Kronos, mawala. Walang pollination. Ha?
Walang pressure naman.
No. Hindi ako yun.
Oh, I almost forgot, Carl.
Nasa grow garden. Sorry. Sorry.
So, mapunch in the face.
Pero, hulaan mo paano ko ito nagawa. Pero, alamin mo kung paano ko ito nagawa. Gumagawa ko ng video.